Hi, my name is Tim Delashmutt. I'm a software engineer at Audio Power Labs. It's located in Columbus, Ohio. These here are the two products we have at Audio Power Labs. This is the 833 TNT amplifier, and this over here is the 50 TNT amplifier. I'm going to demonstrate how the 50 TNT amplifier works today. The amplifiers, the TNT stands for tubes and transformers. That's all we have in the audio path. There's no capacitors whatsoever. We have a touch screen down here that is controlled using the encoder knob, and we also have Ethernet in the back that connects to our local network where we can download new software and edit files and whatever we need to do. So, the screen just went blank. Okay, so we can, on the power on menu, we have a power on button, a calibrate button, and a setup button. By turning the encoder knob, you can see the purple button change from one button to the next. So here, if we push this button, it goes into the setup menu. And in the setup menu, we have network settings, amplifier configuration settings, and upload, download area where we can go into that and download updates to the amplifier. We can go into the network menu and configure it for our network using either static IP address or dynamic IP address, whatever you need. So we can go down here and cancel this. That will take us back to the power on menu. And here we can just push the power on button, and that will start the amplifier. Here you can see the countdown screen saying 90 some seconds. When that gets all the way down to 0, then the amplifier will be turned on. When we push the power on menu, the fans activate and internal power supplies start activating and putting voltage on the tubes here. You start to see the tubes glow as the power is coming online. We're constantly monitoring tube voltage and tube current to make sure that we're getting the optimum settings so that we get the best quality sound out of this amplifier. One thing that we use on this product is an embedded Linux platform to boot up the amplifier. We are using the Mini 2440 board, which is installed internal to this device, and also the 833 TNT device. So this has a network cable, a USB cable, serial cables, and much more. We're using I2C communication to control all of our custom designed hardware inside of this product, which includes I/O expanders, ADD converters, digital potentiometers. We're constantly tuning in new power supplies with this device, and we have the ability to update software through the Ethernet port for everything on this circuit board. Okay, we've got 10 seconds left here till this thing is activated. And it clicks over to the main menu, which means that we are fully operational and ready to hear audio noise, audio sound. Ideally we would have speakers hooked up to this amplifier, and we'd be putting an input audio signal here so that we could hear the quality sound coming out of this product. So what we're going to do here is there's two options here on the menu. There's mute amplifier and power down. Mute amplifier just shorts the output so that no sound's being put out to the speakers, and power down button will power down the amplifier safely. We're going to go ahead and power down right now, and we have a confirmation screen. Are you sure you want to power down? Yes, we want to power down. And this is the cool down menu here. You might have heard the fan kick on. We have high fan speed to cool down the amplifier as we're deactivating power supplies and verifying that all the voltages and everything in there is winding down. And this cool down screen it will stay on there until the room temperature is reached. At that point in time, it flips back over to the power on screen. There's an abort button down here that we can push to just skip all that and go right to the power on screen if you want to power it on again. So, and there it just went to the power on menu. So at this point in time, we can start it up again, or we can calibrate it, or do whatever we need to do. And that completes my presentation on the 50 TNT amplifier. Thank you very much.